Welcome to the pearly gates, as in heaven's gates, and as the pearly gates, not the death cult. Anyway, this is a little miniature of the pearly gates, and also it has lights in it. So now, let's show you how to make a piece of heaven. So, what you need is some cardboard or plastic cardboard or something white, some foam to carve stuff from, cotton. You also need these tiny things to use for a doorknob, a Bible about Christian mythos, and a 3D printer. So, hinges, Christmas battery-powered LED lights from IKEA, paperclip stuff, and faith and garden, whatever.
So, you see here, I've printed out this gate here. You can also buy a miniature gate here, but I do find it, so don't worry, I'm gonna post a link to it. But I thought it was very, very nice gate. So, now I'm going to put these hinges on here on the side, so it actually can be open. And I have this miniature scrapbooking paper stuff here. Now I have, you see, taking the little foam here and carved out some pillars here and painting them white. And I also putting glue here on this little rounded things here to make a little bit of a more, what do you call it, solid foundation here. So I can drill a little hole here in the plastic and actually screw them on from underneath. I don't really exactly know what this part is, but you know, well, I don't use it for this. So you see, this is how it's now gonna be put in. You can also glue them straight to the board here. It will be no problem at all. So you can attach the little gates there with some. You see the little bit of screws there and the paper clips holding out all things there. So anyway, now you see, I have this little detail thing here from when I bought the miniature house last year. That was completely in Chinese and everything. So there we have the little top of it, and also a little bit of decoration there with on top of the pillars there. There are no exact ways how the pearl gates actually is described more than that in the Bible, what I know about. I tried to do a little bit of research on this, but it's very much up to interpretation due to this is a mythological things that probably doesn't exist. What? Who knows? Anyway, so now we actually have what do you call it, a little bit of a cotton here to make a little bit of what clouds. If you're wondering, I am not a Christian, so I don't really know much about these things. But if you know more about the pearly gates, please tell me more. I'm quite interested to see what the interpretation of it actually is in Christian mythology. Anyway, so now you see we have very much the lights here in the little clouds here, so it looks very cozy. So now you see here we have the whole thing rigged up to film through here. So you can just go to the camera through and also take little strings and open it, and it will be very, very nice. So thank you for watching. Bye.
So, it might be a little bit of an unusual build here, but I needed to do this for a project I was making. So, yes, and I hope you find this Heaven's Gate here useful to, I don't know, be inspired to make a suicide cult or something like that, or just having something nice. I also are going to leave a link to the person who's making these fabulous gates.